Hello everyone, welcome to another day of Advent of Code 2020. So Advent of Code is a series of programming challenges on the Advent calendar. On each day of the calendar, you have one programming challenge, and within that challenge, you have two parts. Right? Solving each of the parts give you one gold star, and the aim of this is to solve all of the challenges and get 50 gold stars. So are you up for it? So today we're going to do day 23, which means that if this is the first time you're watching this video, you are losing out a lot. You know, man, we have doing these challenges from day 1 all the way to day 22, and you are missing out all of them. So if you want to watch them, please go and click the link over here. Okay? So go and watch them and come back and join us on day 23, because today is the final 3 days on the calendar, and it's probably gonna be exciting. And let's go for it. So on the calendar, let's look at day 23. Crab caps. Wait, crab caps? No, crab cups. So crab cups. So small crab challenges you to a game. The crab is going to mix up some cups, and you're going to predict where they will end up. Right? The cups will be arranged in a circle labeled clockwise. So a puzzle input. And for example, if your labeling were 32418, which means there will be 5 cups in a circle, and going clockwise around the circle from the first cup labeled 32415. Right? Before the crab starts, it will designate the first cup in your list as the current cup. Right? The crab is going to do 100 moves, and each moves the crab does the following actions. The crab picks up the 3 cups that are immediately clockwise of the current cup, and they are removed from the circle. Right? Pick up 3 cups, and then remove from the circle, and the cup spacing is just adjusted as necessary to maintain a circle. Right? The crab selects a destination cup, which is the cup with a label equal to the current cup label minus 1. If this would select one of the cup that was just picked up, the crab will continue to keep subtracting 1 until it finds a cup that wasn't just picked up. If at any point in this process the value goes below the lowest value of any cup's label, it will wrap around to the highest value of any cup's label instead. Okay, so you will find, so let's see. The crab places the cup it just picked up, so they are immediately clockwise to the destination cup, and they keep the same order as when they were picked up, and then it selects a new current cup, which is immediately clockwise to the current cup. Alright, so for example, suppose your cup is 389125467. So you do, okay, so now we pick, current cup is 3, so we pick up 891. And then 3 minus 1 is 2, so the destination is 2. And it's not within that 891, so we find a cup 2, and then we will move 891 right after the cup 2. Right, so the next cup is 2. So we're gonna pick up 891 again, and then we're gonna find the destination, which is 1, but 1 is within 891, so we're gonna wrap it up and go for 9. 9 again is within 891, so we're gonna go for 8. Again is within the 3 cup, we're gonna go for 7. So we find the destination 7. Let's move the cup to that after 7, and then we will have 3, 2, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, right? So cup 5, we're gonna look at 4, 6, 7 now. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 is within that 4, 6, 7. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So we find 3 in the destination. So we're gonna move 4, 6, 7 right after cup 3. Right, and then the next one will be cup 8, and we just do it a few more times, and get the final arrangement. Right, so in the example, the cups value the labels moving. Okay, so the current cup is the one with brackets. So after the crab is done, what the order a cup will be in, starting after the cup label 1. Right, so collect the other cups labeled clockwise in a single string with no extra characters. Each number except 1 should appear exactly once. In the above example, after 10 moves, the cup clockwise from 1 are this 9, 2, 6, 5, 8, 3, 7, 4. Right, so that would be the answer, right? So if the card were to complete 100 moves, order after cup 1 would be 6, 7, 3, 8, 4, 5, 2, 9. So what is... Okay, so using your labeling, simulate 100 moves. And what are the labels on the cup? And the puzzle input is 9164 38275, right? So probably we're gonna use 38912547 as our testing, and let's see whether we can implement this. Right, so let's move on. Let's go to our code. Today is day 23. Okay, so our input is this. Right, so we're gonna make it into a cup that is within a circle. So probably we're gonna have like class called cup that points to the next cup, right? So construct we're gonna have the value or the label of the cup. So this dot label equals to label, and then probably this not next. For now it's now, but we'll set the next, and then so cup will have label and the next, and then they will just label with each other, right? So you create the cups. So input cups equals input the split by space, and then map it to, okay, so the number label, like a label label, we need to convert it to a number first. Label equals number, label, and then we create a new cup, because a new cup with that label, right? Just return this, return the cup, right? If you are seeing what I'm seeing here, feel like this, a lot of lines can be collapsed and make it even easier to read. I think so. So this is actually just this, right? And some people may even want to go one step further to just even remove this, return, right? So we split and then we map and we get all the cups. And then now we are going to assign the cup next to the cup next to it, right? So the order is like the next cup for the cup 3 is cup 8 and cup 9, so on and so forth, right? So we're going to loop through for let's I equals 0, I less than cups.length plus plus cups I dot next equals to cups I plus 1, right? Except the last cup. So probably we can do this and modulo with cups.length so that it will wrap around to be the first cup again. So now we have the cups in a circle. So let's get the current cup, which is the first cup. Right, the current cup is the first cup. Okay, and then next thing we see is that we're going to move in this pattern, right? So we're going to have a for loop. It's called a move equals to, so we start from move 1 all the way to move 10. Okay, and we're gonna perform this operation, right? So first thing is we're gonna get the 3 cups, right? So 3 cups equals to current cup dot next, current cup dot next dot next, and current cup dot next dot next dot next. Not sure this is the best way of writing it, but let's bear it for now. So we have the 3 cups, right? And then let's see. Okay, how about I think we're better off we assign it to a variable first, and then cup 1 equals to this, cup 2, 3. Right? If we are writing it this way, then this is essentially cup 1.next. This is essentially cup 2.next. Oops, sorry. Let's close unnecessary files. So over here, it's essentially cup 1, 2, and 3. Right? So we remove this 3 cup, which means that the current cup has to point to the next cup of the cup 3. Current cup next equals to cup 3.next. Right? And then we're gonna take a look at the current label. So current label equals to the current cup dot label. I'm gonna find the next number that the destination cup label. So it's called destination label. Goes to current label minus 1. Make sure that if it's less than, if we reach to 0, then current label, then it will be wrap it up and cup 9, right? So over here we have all the numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if it's 0, if it's cup 1, it will become 0, then it will become 9. Or else it will be current label minus 1, right? I think we can even write it this way. So if its current label is 1, then the destination is 9. If the current label, or else the current label minus 1, right? But then we also need to make sure that this destination label is not within cup 1, 2, 3, right? So while destination label is not equals to cup 1 dot label, and it's not equals to the cup 2 dot label and cup 3 dot label, wait, if it's equal to either of the label, then we're gonna do something, right? We're gonna keep finding the next destination. So destination label is equals to the destination label minus 1. And if it's 1, then it will wrap up to become 9. Right, so this is for us to find destination label. So once we are done with this, we found the destination label, then we have to actually find the cup with that label. Right. So the cup with that label is actually cup's destination label minus 1. So here is a bit of cheat over here, but this cup's array is never changed and has been created. Oh wait. Not this one. Wait, hold on. I think we can have a map of the cups, the label to the cup, so that we don't have to actually iteratively find the cup. Just jump to that cup, right? So I'm gonna say is the cup map. Okay, I'm gonna create it here as well. So one thing is you assign next. The other thing is that you also label. So we're gonna also set cups I label cups I. Right, so we also keeping a mapping of the label to the cup itself. So the cup label, the cup and the label will never change, right? It's just the position of it will change. But this will allows us to actually jump right to that, the cup. So the cup map dot get destination label will be the destination cup, right? Destination cup. So what we're going to do is that also remember the destination cup dot next. Destination cup next equals to destination cup dot next, right? And what we actually going to do is destination cup dot next gonna be the cup 1, and cup 3 dot next will be the destination cup next. So this is like inserting the cup 1, 2, 3 in between the destination cup and destination cup next. So once we've done that, then we're gonna move on to the next cup, which is current cup equals to current cup dot next. Right, so once we are done with this, let's see, then we're gonna find the first cup. Cup label 1 equals to cup map dot get 1, and we're gonna print out this ordering, right? So we're gonna say let results equals wow. Okay, so we're gonna find cup one by one. So the let's cup equals to cup label 1 dot next, while cup is not equals to cup label 1 result at equals to the cup label, and cup equals to cup dot next. So we're gonna see that if the cup, we haven't reached the cup label 1, because it's a circle, right? If cup haven't reached the cup label 1, then we're gonna append the label to the results one by one, and we're gonna move from the first cup to the next cup to the next cup to the next cup, right? And finally, we're gonna just console out the results. And let's try run this, right? Code day 23 9265837, which is correct. So if we change it to 100 moves, so 100 moves, oops, we'll get 67384529, right? So let's see, 67384529, which is correct as well. So we're gonna change the puzzle input to our puzzle input. Let's run this, and let's copy this. I'm gonna paste it in, and it's the right answer. We have solved part 1, and let's move on to part 2. So due to what you can only assume is a mistranslation, you're not exactly fluent in crab. You're quite surprised with the crab starts arranging many cups in a circle in your raft. 1 million in total. Your labeling is still correct for the first few cups. After that, the remaining cups are just numbered in an increasing fashion, starting from the number after the highest number in your list, proceeding one by one until 1 million is reached. Wow. So for example, your labeling is 54321. The cups would be numbered 54321, and then starts counting up from 6 until 1 million is reached. In this way, every number from 1 through 1 million is exactly used once. After discovering where you made a mistake in translating your crab numbers, whereas a small crab isn't going to do merely 100 moves, the crab is also going to do 10 million moves. The crab is going to hide your stars, one each, under 2 cups, and end up immediately clockwise of cup 1. So you can have them if you predict where the labels of the cup will be when the crab is finished. So for example, this example, this would be, so 2 cups that end up immediately clockwise of cup 1, right? So probably with these inputs, the cup on the right will be 934001 and 159792. So multiplying this together produces this enormous number, and we are going to get this number based on our inputs, right? So I'm going to just try this just for make sure that our code is still working correctly. So we're gonna have the initial cups, right? So the highest number over here is 9. which means from now onwards, from 10 all the way to 1,000,000 is, so we're gonna create cards. Okay, so let's I equals to 10, I less than equals to 1,000,000. So 3030 plus plus. So we're gonna create a new cup. Okay, so this cup. How about this? How about this? I'm gonna create cups first. Create a cups for 1 all the way to 1,000,000. I'm gonna create a new cup. Cup equals new cup. Label I. Cups dot push cup. Right. Create 1,000,000 cups over here, and then this will still stay the same. Right, we don't change this. The moves will be 10 million moves, right? And then the code over here is still the same, except that 9 is now million, right? We are gonna wrap up to 1,000,000. So I'm gonna say 1,000,000 over here. I'm gonna copy this here, here, and here. And I think the rest is the same, right? Until the end, we find the cup, label 1. We just find the next 2 cup, and then we multiply the label together. So which means that I'm gonna get this dot label times dot next dot label. I'm gonna console log this out, and that will be our result, right? So let's try and run this. Holy shit, it's taking a while. Not sure whether I'm on the right track, but oh, I get a number, and it's the exact number. As you can see over here, is exactly the same as expected. So which means that we are correct, on the right track. I'm just gonna copy this our puzzle inputs. I'm gonna paste it in, and let's run this. 5. Okay, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds total. I'm not sure that's good enough, but we have an answer. I'm just gonna copy this answer and paste it in, and yes, that's the right answer. And that's day 23, guys and girls. So if you like this video so far, give me a thumbs up. If you feel that you have something to say, maybe I'm not doing that right, you have any tips on optimization, please comment down below. And that's all, folks. See you on the next video. So please be sure to subscribe my channel over, not sure, here or here, probably somewhere on the site. Please be sure to click subscribe so that you know when day 24 is out. So see ya. Bye bye.